I think Bagheera's trying to get in here.
Yeah.
Just wait, Kitty. We're recording a song.
We'll come out and get you in a minute.
Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back. BOOZHOO. Not a BOOZHOO. On the guitar, Michael Lyons. Take it away, brother. Traveling in a fried-out Kombi on a hippie trail full of zombies. I met a strange lady, she made me nervous. She took me in and gave me breakfast. She said, do you come from a land down under, where the women glow and the men plunder? Can't you hear the thunder? You better run, you better take cover. Buying bread from a man in Brussels. He was 6'4" and full of muscles. I said, do you speak of my language? He just smiled and gave me a Vegemite sandwich. And he said, do you come from a land down under, where the women glow and the men wonder? Can't you hear the thunder? You better run, you better take cover. Lying in a den in Bombay, with a slack jaw, not much to say. I said to the man, are you trying to tempt me? Because I come from the land of plenty. And he said, do you come from a land down under, where the women glow and the men plunder? Can't you hear the thunder? You better run, you better take cover. You better run, yeah. You better take cover. Hey! Oh, that was great, Michael.
Yeah.
Hey, thanks a lot.
Wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons and the Land Down Under by Men at Work. Another great 80s song.
Oh, you could say that again.
All right. I will see you again.
Gigawabamin.
Minowa. All right.
Can we let the cat in now?
Oh, yeah, why don't you?